is our Charleston 2-bedroom. This is a Charleston 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's called an upgraded unit, and I'll show you why in just a second. As you walk into the left, you will have the guest bedroom. Again, plenty of room for a king or a queen. With the walk-in closet and ample lighting from the large windows. And the guest bath, which also has access from the hall and privacy from the bedroom. Turning left out of the guest bedroom, you will see the living room. This is on the second floor, again with the fireplace and a large sunroom with plenty of light. This can be used as a den for play or a computer room. Then we have access to our balcony. Large balcony. Again, I had mentioned that we had garage units throughout. These are some of the garages you could rent for $120 a month. And again, the 3x5 storage unit outside. You can see the dining room with some windows and some mirrors in this configuration. And when I said slightly renovated, you can see the counters and kitchen have black appliances as well as updated countertops. We'll move on through and cabinets. We'll move on through for the washer and dryer. There are connections in each apartment. Some come with washer and dryers and some do not. Moving on to our master bedroom. You can see the balcony from this bedroom. And we have the walk-in closet here. As well as the bathroom. The private bathroom. Going back out, I want to take one more minute in the living room and show you the nice fan we have here. And our wonderful fireplace. All right, thank you.